In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to PayPal. To begin, open your web browser and search for Wise. This is the fastest way to get to the official platform if you don't already have it bookmarked. When the search results appear, click the correct Wise link and make sure you're opening the official website. Taking a second to verify the site is important whenever you're working with financial accounts. Once you're on the Wise website, log in to your account. Depending on your device or browser, you may be prompted to log in again or complete an extra verification step. If that happens, just follow the sign-in process until you fully reach your Wise dashboard. Make sure you're using your own secure connection and not a public device, especially when moving money between accounts. From there, the goal is to withdraw the funds from Wise to your linked personal bank account first. In most cases, this is the route you'll use because PayPal typically receives money through a connected bank rather than directly from Wise. Click Send, then enter the amount you want to move. Carefully review the amount before confirming and make sure the bank account linked to Wise is the same one you want to use with PayPal. This helps avoid delays and keeps the transfer process smoother. After that transfer has been initiated, go to PayPal and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look for the Wallet section. This is where PayPal stores your linked cards, bank accounts, and balance options. Inside Wallet, select Send Payments, and then choose the option that says Add Money to your balance. This is the step that allows you to move money from your linked bank account into your PayPal balance. Next, select your bank account to complete the deposit. Be sure to choose the correct bank account, especially if you have more than one connected to PayPal. Once selected, confirm the transfer details and complete the deposit. Keep in mind that bank-to-PayPal transfers can sometimes take a little time to process, so don't worry if the balance doesn't update instantly. That's it. The full process is really about moving the money from Wise to your bank account first, and then from that bank account into PayPal. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to double-check transfer amounts, account names, and any applicable fees or processing times shown on both platforms. Done carefully, this is a straightforward way to get your funds from Wise into PayPal.